Chapter 27, Suspension Systems, Day 2, Video 1, Out of Service. So we're going to take a couple minutes to talk about some of the conditions that would take the truck out of service based on problems with the suspension system. Any of the U-bolts, spring hangers, or axle positioning that are cracked, broken, or missing. These are all those items that cause the axle to be in alignment with the tractor or with the rest of the truck. If any of those are damaged, they can cause that axle to come out of alignment and cause a steering stability issue. So any of those components that locate the axle either to the leaf springs or to the frame itself, those would render that truck out of service. Any of the leaf springs that are broken or missing, and that could be to the component or one of the leaves of the leaf spring being broken also. That would take that out of service. So again, if we have a broken leaf, that really reduces the carrying capacity of that spring. That could lead to an overloading condition and a stability issue. Broken coil spring or missing airbag or air spring. Again, what that's going to do is cause overloading of the remaining components, and that could exceed its carrying capacity, and then again lead to a stability issue with the weight not being properly dispersed across the suspension and the frame. If you have one of them or more of the leaves start to become displaced, and where it will move out, and it can get in contact with any of the rotating components, the tire, the rim, or the brake, and could cause a blowout or damage the braking system. So those, if we remember, the makeup of the leaf spring has a spring clip included in that wraps around the leaves, and so if this very situation happens, those leaves are unable to move out of place and come in contact with any of the rotating assembly. If we have a broken torque bar or deflated air suspension, again, those are going to be axle alignment components. Broken torque bar, if we have the air system is deflated, we've got a broken airline or a ruptured airbag, that could cause the remaining system to be overloaded and cause a stability issue. And kind of touching back on any of the parts that locate the axle, the torque bar, the radius bar, any of those tracking components that are cracked or broken or missing, again, that affect axle alignment, we would take that truck out of service.